Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Laurence.
And I'm Natalie.
And we've had so many questions since we've started preparing the rig for sale, which it is now up for sale. We shall leave the link below. But there is one major question that we are going to answer in this video.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, I just wonder.
Right, before we get going, I'm going to do the last few bits. Our vent covers have arrived. Annoyingly, I couldn't just find the cover part. I had to buy the whole new thing, but I don't want to refit it because these are okay. It's just this bit that got basically brittle in the sun, so I shall give the rest of this to the new owners. But for now, I'm just gonna do that. They're exactly the same, so I'll leave those in the rig. If the new owner wants to install them, then that's fine, but there's nothing wrong with them. I will say, they're like $40 each.
Ouch.
Yeah. Right, we have also invested, for the new owners, the stickers for the RV locks, which are very, very simple. This one I'm a little bit worried about. Let's go do this one first. So, it really is that simple, and actually I should have brought a knife or something, so I will go get a knife to, maybe I can get it from here. No. So these come off. Probably check it fits. Oh yeah, okay. Right, I'm gonna have to go get a knife, but this literally just peels off and then this one sticks on. Alright, so this one's really easy. There we go. Peel that off. I should probably clean that up a little bit better. Not gonna. That'll be fine. And then this is sticky. Oh, beautiful. Okay, this too was a lot more expensive than we thought, and they are out of stock, so you're lucky we got these, but there we go. Perfect. Right, let's go do the other one. I'm not sure how to do this one.
Okay, so this one that Laurence is doing was a stupidly expensive one. RV Lock prices at $27 for the neoprene ones, which is so that they don't break anymore. I see the point, but we're not really sure how to install it. I don't know if it just sits on there. We probably should read something, Laurence.
So all I just ripped the old one off. Now this is one of the cheaper ones. It's not there. This is a special neoprene one. It goes on here, but it doesn't give me any stickiness, so I might just have to stick it myself with whatever. The only thing is, it comes with a little card that you scan the QR code, and it gives you the install instructions for all of these, except this one.
Oh, that's dumb.
So it's not sticky.
Let's Google it.
We'll Google it.
Or Bing. No one bings it.
Alright, Natalie just read up that we have to take the whole lock off to replace the neoprene ones. Oh.
That does not look easy.
What a palaver. So we're back in the house. Right, to change these ones, which are obviously the much better, you have to take the whole thing apart. So we had to take the lock off, and then I had to take a couple of screws off, and then peel back the gasket, and then take 4 screws off to get here. And so by that point, you get to this, and you can just place this there. Oh, look at that, beautiful. And then you can just put it back and replace the screws. So this isn't a quick rip off, stick on, this is a whole palaver. Actually, it's been pretty easy, but...
Would it have been easier if RV Log had the actual instructions for the basement ones?
There's one thing I did think of that I'll do later, which I need to take my Pepwave router out.
Ah, yeah, and the blink camera.
Yes, yeah, I forgot about that. Okay, so there's a couple of little things that we need to do, but apart from that, I think we're good. My HDMI cable, that's
Yes.
it. So what is the question that everyone wants answered? Well, it's what rig are we getting next? And I'll answer that in a moment, but first of all, we wanted to give you a quick update on Jax.
Yes, Jax is doing well with his chemo. However, last week they said there were some symptoms that weren't quite lining up, so now they're not sure that it's B-cell lymphoma. And they're going to do some flow cytometry next week, some more tests basically. So we're kind of back to square one.
Yeah, so we're like 17 grand down and we're back to square one, not knowing what it is. But he is still having chemo, because if it is the original cancer they thought, then it moves very, very quickly without chemo. So.
Yeah. But thank you everyone for the well wishes.
Yes, thank you. Everyone has been very, very nice. So, Natalie.
Yes.
The rig that we are getting next.
I don't know.
Here is the answer. I'm just gonna say it. All right. I'm not gonna mess about. I'm not gonna delay this or ramble on or anything like that. I'm just gonna say it, and I'm gonna say it in just a few moments. I'm just being an idiot now. The honest answer is, here's what we're getting next. We have no idea.
I was going to say, you sounded really confident then, and I'm like, what are we getting? Wow,
No, okay.
Who knows?
So that's a bit of a lie. So we do have an idea.
Yes.
But it's literally just an idea right now. So what we thought would be interesting is we just want to change, and I feel like it's okay to have a change, right?
Yeah.
We decided that we were going to sell the rig a while ago just because we wanted a change, and we thought, you know, what is it, like logically it's not the right thing because it fits us so perfectly.
It does.
Like it has the office, the bedroom, it has the big living room, it has everything that we want. The reasons we bought this are still the same reasons we love it today.
Yes.
All of those things. But I think it's okay to just want a change. So we did decide to keep it, and it's been eating away at us, and we just want a change. So we wanted to try a different type of RV life.
There's other factors as well. So I found that, like, when Laurence was sick on the road or he'd injured himself, I can't tow that thing. So we have thought about getting something that I can drive. Now everyone's jumping to Class A.
Just to clarify, she can tow it, she won't tow it.
Yes, I think it's dangerous that they just allow people to do that in this country, if I'm really honest. Yeah, I think you should have some kind of special license. But yeah, you do in England, right? You can't just go and tow a caravan.
Yeah, you can.
Well, not a big one.
No, not like that.
No. But yeah, so anyway, so that's one of our considerations. But we still need the office, we still need space for the dogs. We've both decided that we don't really need a dinette or anywhere to really sit and eat. That's one of the things we don't need anymore.
It's nice to have.
Yeah,
it is a nice to have.
But we eat outside most of the time, or we just stand up at the island. We do need an island? Don't know. We don't.
Natalie hates the island in this rig. I personally love it, but she hates it only because of the dogs.
Yeah, so I mean, what other pros and cons do you think we would be looking for in our new rig? We don't really want to go bigger. That's another consideration.
No, I think if anything we would go smaller.
Yeah.
Just so that we can be more nimble, especially if there's something that Natalie can drive. So she would probably tow a smaller trailer.
Yeah.
Or maybe a tiny fifth wheel, or truck camper's too small, I think. But I do they're way bigger than what I think when we go to the RV show.
They are impressive, yeah.
So anyway, we could ramble on all day. There's a few things that we want. The main one is that we'd like to be able to share the driving.
Yes.
Which means that we can go further, quicker.
Yes.
And so that's the main thing. But we're going to be going and looking at rigs. Just in our local area, and we thought we would take you along for the journey as well. So the next few weeks we'll probably be looking at different types of rigs, the pros and cons, whether it would work for us or not, and we'd love your feedback on those things as well. So essentially we're bringing you along for the buying process. Now I know this sounds weird because we've been to the Tampa RV show for like 3 years in a row and we've looked at all the different rigs, but we're looking at it with a different set of eyes now. We're looking at it, you know, before we looked at it like, oh, this is really nice, but we knew we were coming home to ours and we were keeping ours, whereas now we're ready to buy something else. And so we're looking at it with a completely new set of eyes where this rig could be ours. So anyway, I think we rambled on a lot, but that honestly, that is the honest truth. We have no idea what we're getting yet.
But I love all the suggestions.
Yes, we have had a lot of suggestions. Lots
All
of
the
people
guesses.
lots of people have said fifth wheels,
Yes.
but it would have to be a very small one because
I'm
I'm
thinking
not
that we're Alliance people now, just because you
That's
keep
true.
wearing your Alliance stuff.
did.
We're not.
Thanks, Andy. And Andy Commons in Canada gave me an Alliance t-shirt. The Wags did not.
To
Dustin
wind
promised.
up Dustin, to be fair.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm just winding up Dustin. All right, well, thank you for watching. It's only a short video this week. We've been pretty busy doing a few bits on here and listing this. Again, we'll leave the listing below, so if you know anyone who might want to buy it, then please let us know. I think it's priced pretty reasonably considering all the upgrades it has, which is pretty much everything you can think of. So yeah. So anyway, if you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the thanks button because Natalie loves it when you do that. Hit the join button if you'd like to come to Braziere and support a couple of tits, Natalie and myself. Thank you to everyone below who's already done that. We very much appreciate you. We will see you next week where you'll be coming RV shopping with us.